The Industrial Revolution was a period of significant economic, technological and social change that began in the late 18th century and continued into the 19th century. It marked a shift from agrarian, handcrafted production to machine-based manufacturing, leading to rapid urbanization, industrial growth, and transformations in daily life. Origins and causes. The Industrial Revolution began in Great Britain in the mid-1700s and later spread to Europe, North America, and other parts of the world. Several factors contributed to its emergence. 1. Agricultural revolution. Innovations in farming techniques, such as crop rotation, selective breeding, and the seed drill, increased food production. This led to population growth and a surplus labor force. 2. Natural resources. Britain had abundant coal and iron, which were essential for industrial development. 3. Technological innovations. The invention of machines like the spinning jenny, steam engine, and power loom revolutionized production. 4. Capital and trade. Britain had a strong economy, financial institutions, and overseas colonies that provided raw materials and markets. 5. Transportation and infrastructure. Improved roads, canals, and later railways facilitated the movement of goods and people. Number 6. Political stability. Unlike other European nations experiencing turmoil, Britain had a stable government that encouraged industrial growth. Key inventions and technological advances. Several inventions transformed industries during the Industrial Revolution. 1. Textile industry. Spinning jenny, 1764. James Hargreaves invented this device, allowing multiple threads to be spun simultaneously. Water frame, 769-69. Richard Arkwright's machine used water power for spinning, leading to factory-based production. Power loom, 1787. Edmund Cartwright's invention mechanized weaving, increasing cloth production. 2. Steam power, steam engine, 1769. James Watt improved the steam engine, making it more efficient and adaptable for various industries, including textiles and transportation. 3. Iron and steel industry, puddling process, 1784. Henry Cort developed a method to refine iron, making it stronger and more useful for construction and machinery. Bessemer process, 1856. Henry Bessemer's innovation led to mass production of steel, revolutionizing construction and engineering. 4. Transportation. Steamboat, 1807. Robert Fulton built the first commercially successful steamboat, improving water transportation. Railways, 1825. George Stephenson developed the first steam-powered locomotive, making railways the backbone of industrial expansion. 5. Communication. Telegraph, 1837. Samuel Morse's invention enabled long-distance communication, improving trade and coordination. Effects of the Industrial Revolution. The impact of industrialization was profound, affecting almost every aspect of society. Economic changes. 1. Rise of factories. Small-scale cottage industries declined as large factories dominated production. 2. Mass production. Goods became cheaper and more widely available due to mechanization. 3. Growth of capitalism. Entrepreneurs and industrialists accumulated wealth, leading to the rise of a capitalist economy. 4. Global trade expansion. Industrialized nations sought raw materials and markets worldwide, leading to imperialism. Social changes. 1. Urbanization. Millions of people moved to cities in search of jobs, leading to overcrowding and poor living conditions. 2. Working conditions. Factory workers, including women and children, faced long hours, low wages, and dangerous environments. 3. Class structure shift. A new industrial middle class, bourgeoisie, emerged while the working class proletariat struggled under harsh conditions. 4. Rise of labor movements. Unions and workers' rights movements emerged to demand better wages and working conditions. Technological and scientific progress. 1. Advancements in medicine. The Industrial Revolution led to medical breakthroughs, including vaccines and sanitation improvements. 2. Educational reforms. As industrial societies required skilled workers, public education systems were established. Environmental impact. 1. Pollution. Increased use of coal and factory waste led to air and water pollution. 2. Deforestation. Expansion of industries and cities resulted in environmental degradation. Spread of industrialization. After Britain, industrialization spread to countries like United States, rapid industrial growth occurred, especially after the Civil War. Germany became an industrial powerhouse by the late 19th century. France, Belgium and Japan adopted industrialization, leading to economic modernization. Second Industrial Revolution, late 19th, early 20th century. The later phase, known as the Second Industrial Revolution, brought further innovations. Electricity, Thomas Edison, Nikola Tesla. Automobiles, Henry Ford's assembly line. Chemicals and pharmaceuticals, synthetic dyes, aspirin. Conclusion. The Industrial Revolution was a turning point in human history, laying the foundation for the modern industrialized world. While it brought economic prosperity, technological advancements, and improved living standards in the long run, it also led to social struggles, economic inequalities, and environmental challenges that continue to shape our world today.